KashKick withdrawals can be denied when account details, verification status, payment information, or reward eligibility checks do not match the platform's requirements. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a KashKick withdrawal gets denied, and the steps to fix the issue before trying again. The first thing to check is your KashKick account information. A withdrawal problem can happen when your profile details are incomplete, outdated, or different from the information connected to your payment method. Open the KashKick app or website and review your account details. Make sure your personal information and payment details are entered correctly before requesting another withdrawal. The next step is checking your verification status. Some accounts may need additional verification before withdrawals can be processed. Look for any pending verification requests, account alerts, or messages from KashKick. Complete any required steps before submitting another withdrawal request. Another reason for a denied withdrawal is an issue with the reward or activity connected to your balance. Review your account history and confirm that the rewards showing in your balance are available for withdrawal. If the withdrawal was denied after you submitted a request, avoid creating multiple requests immediately. Repeated attempts may not solve the issue if the account still has a verification or eligibility problem. You should also check your payment method. Confirm that the payment information connected to KashKick is accurate and belongs to you. If everything looks correct and the withdrawal is still denied, contact KashKick support. Include your account email, the withdrawal amount, the date you requested it, and the exact message shown when the withdrawal failed. Providing these details helps support identify whether the problem is related to your account, payment information, or a technical issue. Before contacting support, take screenshots of the denied withdrawal message and your account status. This gives the support team the information needed to review the problem. The main fixes are checking your account details, completing verification steps, confirming payment information, and sending a detailed support request if the issue continues. A denied KashKick withdrawal usually requires finding the exact reason behind the rejection instead of repeatedly trying the same action. Open your KashKick account, review every pending requirement, and update anything that is incorrect before submitting another withdrawal request. Subscribe for more KashKick troubleshooting guides, and like the video if it helped you fix your withdrawal issue.